What is the tendency for data analysis in 2025? Wanna know? Stay with me until the end of this video. Have you ever heard someone say that the data analyst market is saturated? That there are too many professionals and opportunities are shrinking? Well, that idea may seem convincing at glance, but let me tell you something. Data keeps growing. Every day, companies generate an overwhelming amount of information and need to turn it into strategic decisions. What has really changed is not the demand for data analysis, but the level of the market expectations. In the past, knowing Power BI was enough to land a good job in the field. Today, companies are looking for more well-rounded professionals who go beyond simply building dashboards. What does this mean for you? That just mastering a tool is no longer enough. The real differentiator lies in the set of skills an analyst needs to stand out. And that's exactly what we are going to talk about in this video. What are the must-know trends that will define the future of data analysis in 2025? What do you need to learn to become an indispensable professional in the market? Stay with me until the end because I will show you how to prepare for this new phase and ensure you stay ahead of the competition. If you want to stand out in data analysis in 2025, you need to master 3 fundamental pillars. These skills are not just recommended, they are essential for any professional looking to grow in the field. Excel. Many people think Excel is outdated, but the reality in companies says otherwise. Small and medium-sized businesses still heavily rely on spreadsheets to organize their data, and many hire analysts specifically to migrate process from Excel to more advanced solutions. If you already work with Power BI or SQL, you may not use Excel daily, but having this knowledge puts you a step ahead. Companies value professionals who are proficient in pivot tables, formulas like VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP, and automation with VBA or Power Query. Ignoring Excel could be a mistake, especially since it remains a gateway to many data analyst projects. See, the data you analyze doesn't come ready-made. It's stored in databases, and to access, you need to speak the language they understand, SQL. Knowing how to write efficient queries, significant advantage. Companies don't just want someone who copies and pastes pre-written commands. They want a professional who understands how data is structured and can extract the right information quickly. Beyond SQL queries, understanding the fundamentals of business intelligence makes a huge difference. This includes concepts like fact and dimension tables, data warehouses, and star and snowflake schemas. The more you know about data modeling, the better prepared you'll be to solve real-world business problems. The market doesn't just want beautiful reports, it wants actionable insights. Power BI is one of the most widely used tools for data visualization, but to stand out, you need to go beyond the basics. Mastering Power BI means properly structuring data, selecting the most appropriate charts, and applying best practice in data storytelling. After all, a good data analyst doesn't just show numbers, but tells a story that supports decision making. And there's another detail. While Power BI is free for learning, companies need license to share dashboards. Understanding these technical aspects and the practical side of sharing dashboards can give you an edge in interviews and projects. Combining Excel, SQL, and Power BI elevates you to another level as data analyst. But this is just the beginning. In the next few minutes, you will understand how data analysis is no longer exclusive to IT and it's spreading through entire organizations. Data analysis is no longer an exclusive function of IT. Today, professionals from various fields need to interpret numbers, visualize information, and make data-driven decisions. Companies have realized that having a team of data scientists locked in a room building advanced models isn't enough. The real advantage lies in empowering different departments to use data in their daily operations to improve processes and results. This means that areas such as HR, marketing, and finance are increasingly requiring professionals who know how to work with data. And those who master these skills can stand out, even without holding a formal data analyst title. A great example of this is the healthcare sector. Psychologists and other professionals are learning to manipulate data to optimize processes, understand behaviors patterns, and even improve patient care. A well-structured dashboard can completely transform how a professional makes decisions in their daily routine. The market is evolving, and data analysis will no longer be an optional skill. More and more, it will become an essential ability for any professional looking to grow in their career. This shift opens new opportunities for data analysts who can teach and guide other departments in making data-driven decisions. And speaking of industries undergoing transformations, few have evolved as much as digital marketing. In the next section, we will see how data has become indispensable for those working with online strategies. Digital marketing has evolved, and with it, the need for data-driven decision-making. Companies are increasingly present online, which means that every click, interaction, and purchase generates valuable information. The problem is that many agencies and companies still operate chaotically. Inconsistent reports, lack of standardization, and a well-data-driven culture are common challenges. And this is where a significant opportunity arises for data analysis. Professionals who combine marketing knowledge with data analysis have massive advantage. Understanding metrics, identifying behavior patterns, and optimizing campaigns can completely transform a company's results. Mastering concepts like conversion rates, ROI, sales funnels, and A/B testing can make you stand out in the market. Additionally, tools like Google Analytics, Meta Ads, and Data Studio requires increasingly advanced technical knowledge to extract meaningful insights. The future of digital market is not based on guesswork. It's based on data. Those who can connect strategy with analysis will have more opportunities and a crucial role within companies. And if there's something revolutionizing both marketing and data analysis, it's artificial intelligence. In the next section, you will learn how AI is impacting the field and why learning to use it could be a game changer for your career. Artificial intelligence is no longer a future promise. It is already transforming how we work with data and bringing profound changes to the market. Many analysts fear that AI could replace their jobs, but the real risk isn't the technology itself. The real danger is being left behind by professionals who know how to leverage AI. Tools like ChatGPT and Power BI's Copilot already allow automation of tasks that previously required significant time and effort. Today, it's possible to generate SQL queries automatically, interpret complex spreadsheets, and even create data visualizations faster. But AI doesn't eliminate the need for data analysis. On the contrary, it expands possibilities. Those who integrate AI into their workflow will be able to deliver faster, more efficient, and more strategic analysis. The key question isn't whether AI will replace data analysts, but rather with professionals who will use this revolution to become even more valuable in the market. The data analysis market is evolving rapidly. Though tools are advancing, expectations are rising, and professionals who don't keep up risk falling behind. But what really makes the difference for those who want to grow in this field? First, mastering the fundamental triad: Excel, SQL, and Power BI. These three tools form the foundation of a data analyst's work and remain essential across industries. Additionally, understanding the fundamentals of business intelligence is a differentiator. Concepts like data warehouses, fact and dimension tables, and data modeling set apart professionals who merely generate reports from those who structure data strategically. Finally, artificial intelligence is becoming a key component. Tools like ChatGPT and Copilot can significantly boost productivity by automating repeated tasks. Those who integrate AI into their workflow will gain a major competitive advantage. The market is becoming more dynamic, and the best professionals will be those who stand up to date. Data analysis is not declining, it's evolving. Companies have never needed skilled professionals more to turn data into strategic insights. The difference is that the market has matured and now demands more than just basic tool proficiency. Continuous learning is the key. Those who stay updated, learn new technologies, and use AI to their advantage will have a bright future in the field. The market is shifting, but the opportunity remains vast for those willing to grow. The question is, are you ready to take the next step? So, what do you guys think of today's video? Let me know all in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I see you guys on our next video.